Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are y'all doing? Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys a quick step-by-step video on how to create a bushy brow. As you can see, my client already has some really full brows and I transform it to this. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. As of right now, I think bushy brows or natural brows are like the easiest brow to draw right now, especially for people that have really full and bushy eyebrows. Like they don't even have any problem drawing their brows at all they need to do is to groom it the right way, and they can even step out of the house with just putting concealer underneath and they're good to go. So I'm not doing so much. I'm just, as you can see, I'm trying to just outline the bottom part of the brow, and I'm also brushing as I go because I don't want any part of the brow to be too dark, because her brow hairs are already really dark, as you can see. So I'm just brushing back and forth. Now I'm going to clean the bottom part of the brow. The brow pencil I use is from Younger Beauty. It's called the Browlution pencil, while this flat angled brush I'm using is also from Younger Beauty. Younger Beauty is a Nigerian brand. You guys have heard me talk about them all the time, like a lot on this channel. So if you want to shop the pencil and the angled brush, I will leave a link to their website in my description box so you guys can get it. And yeah, basically this is everything. I'm just drawing concealer downwards and I'm going to blend everything with my hand. Alright, so at this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up already. Comment down below if you like bushy brows or the traditional eyebrows, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit the bell beside it so you'll get notifications when we have new videos up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.